Section 5. Safety first, always. Honda takes safety seriously, and the 2024 CR-V is packed with advanced safety features. Standard features on the EX and above trims include a blind spot information system, cross-traffic monitor, and automated emergency braking. The XL trim adds even more safety tech, like low-speed braking control, which can help prevent low-speed collisions. With all these safety features, you can drive with peace of mind, knowing that you and your passengers are well protected. Section 6. Stay connected on the road. The 2024 CR-V keeps you connected and entertained on the go. All models come standard with a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. You can easily connect your smartphone and access your favorite apps, music, and navigation. If you want even more tech goodies, the XL trim offers wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. And for the ultimate audio experience, the Sport Touring Hybrid trim boasts a premium 12-speaker Bose sound system. Section 7. CR-V versus Escape, a clear winner. Now you might be thinking, how does the CR-V stack up against the competition? It's a question many potential buyers have when they step into a dealership or browse online reviews. The compact SUV market is fiercely competitive, and both the Honda CR-V and the Ford Escape have their loyal fan bases. But when it comes down to the nitty-gritty details, which one truly stands out? Well, let's compare it to the 2024 Ford Escape. The Escape has been a popular choice for many years, known for its stylish design and robust performance. It's a vehicle that promises a lot on paper, but how does it fare in real-world conditions? On paper, the Escape might seem like a worthy adversary. It boasts a range of features that appeal to modern drivers, from advanced safety systems to a variety of engine options. The spec sheet is impressive, no doubt about it, but numbers and features only tell part of the story. But in the real world, the CR-V comes out on top. When you take these vehicles out of the showroom and onto the streets, the differences become more apparent. The CR-V's performance, comfort, and reliability shine through, making it a more compelling choice for everyday driving. The CR-V offers better fuel economy, which is a significant factor for many buyers. With rising fuel prices and growing environmental concerns, a vehicle that can go further on a tank of gas is a big plus. The CR-V's efficient engine ensures you spend less time and money at the pump, a more spacious and comfortable interior, and a smoother ride. The CR-V's cabin is designed with the passenger in mind, offering ample legroom and headroom, as well as high-quality materials that enhance the overall driving experience. Whether you're commuting to work or embarking on a long road trip, the CR-V ensures you and your passengers travel in comfort. Plus, Honda's reputation for reliability is legendary. When you invest in a Honda, you're not just buying a car, you're buying peace of mind. Honda vehicles are known for their durability and longevity, often running smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles with minimal issues. This reliability translates to lower maintenance costs and a higher resale value. While the Escape might have a slightly more powerful engine option, power isn't everything. The Escape's engine might deliver a bit more horsepower, but it doesn't necessarily translate to a better driving experience. Factors like handling, ride quality, and overall balance play a crucial role in how a vehicle performs on the road. It can't match the CR-V's overall package. The CR-V excels in areas that matter most to drivers: fuel efficiency, comfort, reliability, and overall driving experience. It's a vehicle that meets the needs of a wide range of drivers, from families to solo adventurers. In the end, when you weigh all the factors, the Honda CR-V emerges as the clear winner in this comparison. Section 8. The verdict. So, there you have it. The 2024 Honda CR-V is a fantastic compact SUV that excels in all the right areas. It's stylish, spacious, fuel-efficient, safe, and packed with technology. Whether you're a family on the go, a daily commuter, or just someone who appreciates a well-rounded vehicle, the CR-V deserves a spot on your short list. Honda has truly outdone themselves with this one. It's no wonder the CR-V is a perennial favorite among Aussie drivers. Section 9. Your next adventure awaits. Ready to experience the 2024 Honda CR-V for yourself? Head down to your local Honda dealer and take one for a spin. You won't be disappointed. Trust me, this is one SUV that lives up to the hype.